Lesson number 1. Numbers and numeration. Numbers are all around us. So let us take the example Ravindranath Setu. Howrah Bridge it is. Its length is 705 meter. The second one, Mount Everest. Its height is 8,848 meters. The third example is River Ganga. Its length is. List 4 things in which you use numbers in your daily life. Now children, we are using numbers in our day-to-day life in each and every situation. So let us take an example for it. The first one is date. While writing the date, we are using the numbers, and even while telling the time also we are using the numbers, and even after writing the year, that is 1999 or 2020. The second example is phone number. If someone asks you the number, you people will use the numbers to give your phone number. The third one is TV channel. To see the selected channel, you people use the channel number. The next, fourth, counting money. Money is counted in the form of numbers. We have already learnt numbers up to 9,999 in class 3. Yes? So let us study with the activity 1. Do you remember how to write in words? So let us take the first exercise. A. 3,000. First write in words. A. 3,849. So write down the spelling as shown in the clip. The next, B. It is 5,308. C. It is 8,974. The D one is 7,777. With this we complete our page number 5. So let us go for the next page. The next question is question number 2, that is writing numeral form. Numeral form is nothing but you need to write the numbers. A. Spelling is given, that is FOUR 4, THOUSA and 1000, then 3, THREE 3, HUNDRED 100 and TWENTY 20. So you are going to write down the answer as 4320. Got it? The next one, B. It is 7,489. So you are going to write 7, 4, 8 and 9. Then C. 1,909. So how will you write it? It as 1909. Then D. 8,765. So the numbers will be 8765. Done. Then we'll go for the question number 3. That is write in expanded form. The number is given in 4 digits and you need to expand it. So let us take example 6,827. How will you write for 6,000? After 6, how many digits are there? 3. So we are going to write down the 3 zeros in front of 6. 6,000 plus 800, then 20, then 7. Expanded form is nothing but you are going to split the numbers. Then go for B. 3,179. 3. After 3 you are going to write 3 zeros plus 1. After that 2 zeros, as we have 2 digits there. Then 70 and then 9. Then C. 8,105. 8 first, then later on we are going to write 3 zeros plus 100, then plus 0 and then plus 5. The D one is 4,180. 4,000 plus 100 plus 80 and then the ones place is 0. Done? Got it? Then fourth one, write in short form. Writing short form is nothing but the question is given in the expanded form and you need to write in the 4 digits. 3000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. If we add together, we are going to get 3456. Then B, 7000 plus 90 plus 8. We are going to write 7 in 1000 place. Then we don't have any number in 100, so we are going to arrange 0 there. Then 90 and then plus 8. Then C, 4000 plus 200 plus 20. Altogether, if we read, it becomes 4220. That is 4220. Then D, 6000 plus 5. Directly we can write here by adding 6000 in the thousands place and 5 in the ones place. So it will be 6005. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. The predecessor of 2000 is. Predecessor is nothing but -1. So one number before 2000 it will be 1999. B. The successor of 3270 is 3271. Successor is nothing but adding 1 to the given number. C. The place value of 8 in 1278 is 8. It never changes. Then D. The place value of 7 in the number 7125 is 7000 itself. 7 later on 3 zeros. That means 7 is standing in the place of 1000. E. The place value of 0 in 2058 is 0 itself, as there is no number. Then next 6. Form the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers using the digits 4, 0, 2 and 1. Each only once you have to use. So let us form the smallest number first. You can't write 0 as first. Always a number, then later on we can add the 0 there. So it will be 1, 0, 2, 4. So altogether while reading it is 1024. The next one, greatest number. Greatest number is the opposite of the number. That is smallest. We have done the later on greatest. 4 is the biggest one. The next largest is 2 and then 1 and then 0. Altogether it becomes 4210. Till now you have studied 4-digit numbers. So let us learn further. That is numbers beyond 4 digits. 9999. If we add 1 to this number, we are going to have 5-digit number. So how we are going to read 5-digit number in the form of thousands. 10,000. That is 10,000 with 4 zeros. 10,000 has 4 zeros and 1 as a digit. So altogether we are going to read it as 10,000. We can write with the help of abacus also. So let us take an example. See the given abacus. How will you read? There are 5 poles. Always from the right side, that is the last. The first one we are going to read it as ones. The second pole we are going to read it as tens. The third one as 100. The fourth one as 1000. And the fifth one is 10,000. Do we have any beads in 4 poles? No. The fifth one is having 1 bead. If there are no beads, then we are going to consider as zeros. So in the 10,000 place we are having only one bit, so it is read as 10,000. One bit is equals to ones. Coming to the next page, let us represent 5 digits numbers on abacus. See the first one. In the ones place there is one bit. In the second pole there are how many? 4 beats, and in the third one we have 5 beats, and in the fourth one we are having 2 beats, and in the fifth one we are having 8 beats. We'll write 1 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, 2 in thousand, and 8 in 10,000. So all together how we are going to read it as 82,541. Second, there is an abacus. So count the beats. 0 ones has how many beats? 1. So we write 1 in ones place. Tens we are having 3. So we write down the number 3. Then in 100 we have 2. We write 2,000, only one bit, so 1. And in the 10,000 we have only 1. So we are writing 11,231. In the third example we have, in the ones place we have 4 bits, so we write 4. In the tens we are having 3, so we are writing 3. And in the hundreds there is no bit, so we write it as 0. Then the thousands place we have only one bit, so we are going to write 1. And in the last pole we are having only 2 bits, that is 2. So altogether if we read it becomes 21,034. So let us do the activity. Read the question, that is, read the abacus and write the numbers and number name. The first one has been done for you. Similarly, the second one, try to do by yourself. Second one, shall I do it? The first pole, in the one space we are having only 1. The second one, that is tens, we are having 4. The third, in the place of 100 we have 1. We are going to write 1. The thousand place we are having 4 bits, so we write 4. And in the place of 10,000 we are having 5 bits, so we'll write 5. So all together we are going to read it as 54,141. The third one, in the place of ones we are having 4 beats. In the place of tens we are having 3 beats. In hundreds we have 6. In the place of thousand there are no beats, so we keep 0. And in the place of 10,000 we have only one bit, so it is written as 10634. So in words we are going to write it as 10,634. Done. The fourth one,